How's everyone doing today? Hope you're doing well. Hope the end of your winter is going well and things are starting to thaw out for you. If you guys love watching my channel, please give it a subscribe, share it around and help me out. I appreciate all the views and everyone watching my channel. So today I decided to come out to the greenhouse, the carport greenhouse here. I just wanted to do a quick video here. I see a lot of people that have a lot of problems with the snow, ripping it and breaking through the plastic and then having to rewrap it. This is my first year with it. If you'd like to see the build of it, I'll post a video at the end of the video here so you guys can check out the building of it last spring. But anyways, this year the snow wasn't too bad. I mean, it snowed quite a bit this year. I'm basically knee deep in the snow. It's the deepest I've seen it out here in years. The snow, I came out yesterday to dig the snow out. The snow was up to the wood boards there and falling off the greenhouse there. But the snow was kind of sporadic. It didn't snow much, but when it did snow, it snowed a lot. Probably snowed like a foot, about 4 times, 5 times, and that's all the snow we really had. No freezing in the rain this year, which is awesome. We've had freezing rain almost every year for the past 4 or 5 years. Anyways, what I want to just talk about is how well this stood up to the snow, because like I said, I've seen a lot of people saying that their carport greenhouses seem to blow over, crumble under the snow load and whatnot. And I don't know if I've had good luck here, but as you can tell, it's standing up really well. The other thing as well I wanted to say was I came over in the fall and put some strings across. You can sort of see them inside. I'd probably recommend some 2x4s to brace it better, but that seemed to work quite well for me. And every time it snowed, I would come over here and just brush it off the top to help alleviate some of the stress on the plastic, which seemed to work quite well. And we'll head to the other side here where it's super deep. I didn't dig it out yet. I dug it out yesterday, tried to get inside because I'm kind of eager. But this side here, it's actually, I dug some out too a few weeks ago, but it's still pretty deep. But overall, I mean, it stood up really well. I'm really impressed with it. The other thing is too, there's tons of wind in this area. When I first put the carport up, it was some of the strongest winds we've had for days on end. And this thing has held up, it hasn't fallen over. I put stakes in almost every leg piece there and in the ends as well there. And it's been awesome. So it's held up better than expected. I'm gonna pop inside quickly and show you inside as well. It's not too cold outside today, but it's a lot warmer inside here, which is pretty awesome. There's not much sun. Yesterday when I was out here, it was probably like minus 10 or 15 out and the sun was shining nicely. I came in here, it's beautiful in here, so good. One thing I wanted to show you was, I planted this thyme in here quite a while ago. I think it's like 3 years now. And up to about 2 months ago, this thing was still thriving in here. It's kind of died off, but you can still see fresh thyme and it's super fragrant still. We didn't have the really cold weather like we normally do here, like the minus 20 for weeks on end. It was probably minus 20 for about 2-3 days and then a few minus 10 days here. So nothing really froze up like it normally does. But what's cool is it's still, like this ground in here, it's not even frozen. I bet you any money, I could probably plant some spinach in here fairly soon and then use some of the roll covers or some of these guys, my mini hoop houses over, or the roll covers. I could probably start growing spinach here. It might take a while to kick off because the daylight hours are still fairly low, but they're increasing every day now. But I mean, it's been awesome. Like I said, it's a 6mm greenhouse plastic and it's been great. So if you guys are in the cold climates here, like I am here in Canada, in Ontario, zone 5A, B, and you're having problems with your greenhouse plastics falling, caving and whatnot, let me know, because I'd be interested to see how everyone else's has held up over the year. You're supposed to get about 4 years out of the plastic. We'll see how that goes. This will be season number 2. And yeah, I would recommend, like I said, coming in, just pushing the plastic or the snow off all the time. So there you go, guys. A quick update on how my carport greenhouse has held up this winter with the snow loads. So impressed. So we'll see you guys out there. Hope you're starting to start some seeds already. We'll see you out there. Have a great day.